Welcome to the SnackTime Vista. This tabletop coffee machine comes in three models: the bean to cup, the filter coffee and the leaf tea. It's ideally suited for up to 75 staff or 200 drinks a day. The menu here is touchscreen, offering 9 drinks plus hot water for tea. The mug stand lower down it can be variable in height to take mugs, small cups or your standard vending cup. I'll demonstrate. Cup goes on the mug stand, the light flashes in recognition of the cup. We look at the menu. I'm going to choose instant coffee. I then press start and the drink is dispensed. This machine can be purchased, leased or rented through SnackTime. The drink that I've selected remains on the screen until the cup has been removed. So there I can see instant coffee, and there it is. Thank you.